All right. Well, I'm still up. Haven't gone to sleep. I think last time I checked in, it was about 3. Right now it's 7. So I decided to get to Home Depot as soon as they opened this morning. Thanks to my wife for taking the kids to camp today. But I think I found the solution. Everything that I had at home didn't work. Worked with the putty. That didn't stick. I worked with not an epoxy, a sealant that was supposed to work well in even wet conditions, and there was still a drip. So I knew that wasn't going to work. So my solution: shark bite. These little couplings, essentially they're elbows. They connect right into the pipe. No soldering necessary. It's literally do it yourself. So considering that I could actually see and reach where the leak was, and it's occurring on an elbow, I need to cut out those current elbows and put the shark bites in. Fortunately, it doesn't require any soldering, so I made sure I got a few extra materials just in case I make a mistake. So cross your fingers, hopefully everything goes smoothly, and have to figure out if I'm going to take a nap before or after. Something tells me I'm going to take a nap before. But I will keep you updated in regards to the progress. Wish me luck.